Welcome to Law and Us. Thank you very much for joining us today for this short video. We're just going to talk briefly about homelessness. It's a passion close to my heart where I believe in this modern day of age, we're now 2018, where people shouldn't be homeless. They shouldn't be living on the pavement, shouldn't be living underground, shouldn't be living in shelters which are with no heating and the like. Currently, in February, it was predicted that temperatures will reach minus 22 degrees. These are people in sleeping bags that are living in those sort of temperatures. It's wholly unacceptable in this modern day of age. Now, where we help people, and we have been doing, now whilst it was only 2 in February that we managed to reach out to, which we managed to get housed, in January we managed to get about, I think it was about 16 housed. However, there's not enough housing in terms of temporary housing because of the statutory issues in place to house people. We did some research in December 2017 in Hearts, Beds and Bucks to find out how much housing stock is available, and it's in the hundreds where people could be housed. However, they're not being provided the housing. So where we step in is where clients contact us, generally not so much the homeless person, but it's family members, friends who approach us and say, can we assist in getting these people housed? And generally the process is fairly simple in terms of getting housed. Local authorities and housing associations have an appetite to want to house people. The police have an appetite to want to house people and get people off the street. No one wants to see homeless people, not because they're dirty and all that sort of stuff and that rhetoric that comes with it. It's because they want them housed. They want them to start developing. Now, housing then leads to potentially less drugs, potentially a job. I went down with a homeless person who I got housed in February, early February this year, and went down to the job centre together. We got him a warehousing job as well as housing, so we can help. And I think it's very important that we help these homeless people to help themselves, to get them off the street, to get them off the drugs, get them into healthcare if required. And most of these people, in my experience, want to work, want to have a home, want to have a relationship. No woman or man would want to have a relationship with a homeless person per se, I would suggest. Now this gets them on the ladder. So the work employment thing is very important. The reason being, it prevents them from going back on the streets to end up in homelessness again. Because work, when you get that paycheck, I assure you, makes homeless people feel good in themselves. It's something I've experienced time and time again, that they've got a bank account. That's important, because most homeless people don't have a bank account. And the banks are not willing to help them, and some banks are not even willing to let these homeless people through the doors. So we help with that sort of process. So this video is purely about, let's try and help our community, and we can help, and we're willing to help. It doesn't cost a lot of money in terms of us helping, but the impact that it can have on the individual or individuals that are homeless and have been homeless for some time can have a massive impact. So I'm putting it out there that we can assist, and we've got partners that will assist. Like, subscribe, and look at the link below. Our website address is www.litigantinpersons.co.uk. Thank you very much for listening.